Hey guys, so the video I made today is 3 days worth of fishing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys could like, comment, subscribe, maybe share the video around to your mates, share the love, and yeah, let's get cracking. Oh. Oh. Redemption. Oh, top water. Oh, he's just pinned too. Get in here. Look at that. Oh, oh, he just let himself out. Oh, let me grab him. Oops. Oh, what? Tell you what, today has been miss after miss after miss. Biggest pain in my ass. Hooked up, bro. What was it? Ooh, he's on a stick bass. On the chase braid prawn. Oh, I've got the bark. There we go. Ooh, yep. Oh, spider just ran up my leg. Oh, let's open this bell up. And get away from the trees. Calm down, mate, calm down. Not bad. Not bad at all, if I may say so myself. Well, make this quick, mate. Oh, there it is. Handy dandy little measuring mat. Oh, you're alright, mate, you're alright. Oh. He is 25 centimetres. You ready to go back, mate? Slide him off. There, bud. I love this thing. Love this thing. So handy. Back down. And put it away for the next one. Alright. Awesome. Good fish. Good fish. Hey. Not bad, not bad. Second one for this for today. Measure him up. Let him go. Oh, a bit of a wild child, that one. Oh. Alright. He is 26. Not bad. I'm happy with that. Off you go. See you, mate.